What? All right. Here we are. We're here in Hasbrook Heights at Sonic. Now, I don't know, is Sonic like another thing that I'm not sure of? Is this like a nationwide kind of a situation? I remember like, I don't even know how long ago it was. Maybe, I don't know, 15, 20 years ago? When, I remember when the Sonic first came, it was like the craze, all the craze. Oh, you gotta go to Sonic. And then, back then, they came out, you know, on roller skates and everything. They had a whole gimmick going on. Now it's friggin' deserted. The drive-through, the drive process is like, it's mind-blowing. I mean, I mean, I don't know if you could see. Let me get a little quick, get my thumb out of the way. All these stalls used to be like packed. Now, I mean, here's the drive-through. Nobody's here. Nobody's here. I don't know how they stay in, honestly, I don't know how they stay in business, but what do I know? But why I'm here for two reasons. I'm here for, now that I'm a semi-expert in the Coney dog after being in Detroit and venturing out, seeing what Coney dogs are all about. I'm here, I'm trying the Coney dog, but also Sonic now, I saw a commercial, they're boasting about their new buffalo chicken dip bites. Is that what it is? Buffalo chicken dip? But all right, first let's get to the dog. I got, ooh, you have no idea how close I came from going onto the ground. So, wow. All right. Okay. So here's what we got here. Just by looking at this, this is borderline criminal. I should have gotten a small. I got the foot-long. All right, I got the foot-long Coney dog. All right, here's what it looks like. This is, well, you know what? I'm not going to say anything yet. Appearance-wise, I don't know if you could see this. Like, look at that. It's like multiple colors. Is that focusing in there? Right. All right, I'm not going to say anything. Let me try this. Bread's falling apart. Look at this. All right. You know what? I'm complaining too much. Let me dive in.
Eventually.
At least they gave me napkins. Thank God they gave me napkins. Wow. All right. Also, you gotta get, you get the tots. You can get fries or tots. Look at this. My thumb is... I got 3. I got an order of 3. Buffalo comes with a little ranch dressing. I'm going to try it without the ranch dressing. You know what the funny part is? They have the balls. I got an order of 3. They gave me 2 ranch dressings. As if I needed for 3 of these. Fucking kidding me? All right. Little Sprite. All right. Here's what we got. The Coney dog. I try one more bite, just in case. You know, maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm just a little. Oops. The Coney dog is horrible at best. I don't even know what kind of hot dog this is. I gotta Google it. I'm gonna put right here, look. Whoop, this is the kind of hot dogs they use. There's nothing on this. This Coney dog is absolutely a horrible, pathetic, sorry. This is like the ugly girl in 12th grade that nobody wants to ask out. That's what this is right here. 3.2, 3.2, and I'm only going that high because it's borderline edible. The tots. You know, now I know why they're so empty here. The tots. I don't know. I don't want to beat everything up. The tots. You can get them with chili and cheese. This is the version of chili and cheese. Thank God I didn't. Tots. You know, I'm going to go flat 5. Flat down the middle. Rookie score 5. This, I mean, it was $2.99 for 3 of these. So $1 each for a bite. Watch. You ready? You see this?
Wow.
Done. That was $1 right there. But out of the rest of this nightmare, it was the best of the 3. It's okay for a sneaky snack. I wouldn't get it again. 6-1. So that's that, baby. I don't know. I mean, this used to be the thing. This used to be the thing. It says, oopsie daisy, I'm losing crap everywhere. It says America's Drive-In. Maybe South America, they mean. I don't know. So that's that.